Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning about algebraic expression, and here we'll be learning about addition, subtraction, combining the like terms, and also we'll be learning about how to find out the value of a variable. So here simplify by combining like terms. Now here you can see that there are 4 terms. Because here have 4 terms, it is called a polynomial. Now we have to find out the solution of this. Now let me write the question, that is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus of 20b. Now what you have to do is write all the like terms in one place. So I'll just write the equation 21b plus 7b minus 20b minus 32. Now here you can see that the 3 terms have the same term, the variable, that is b. So what I'll do is I'll just take the b common and write the coefficient of each term along with the sign. So I have just removed I have taken common variable and we have to write the coefficient of that variable. So what is the coefficient of this? It is 21. Now what is the coefficient of the second term? It is plus 7. Now the coefficient of this is minus 20 minus of 32. Now here, as you have taken the coefficients, now just solve them. It is 21 plus 7 is 28 minus of 20 minus of 32. Now here you have 28 minus 20, that is 8 minus 32. So here the equation is 8b minus 32. Now I'll just repeat. Now there are 4 terms. Now observe which term have which variable. Now you can observe that the 3 terms have b as common. So I have just removed, taken b common and I have written the coefficients and I have simplified it, and at last I got the answer as 8b minus 32. So let's move on to the next one. Yes, I have taken this example. Now this is also in the same way, we have to combine the like terms. So let me just write down the question. 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square minus 3y square. Now what you have to do? Write the like terms in one place to make the simplification easy. Now you have x square y, here you have x square y, x square, that's all. So just write these terms all together, that is x 5x square y minus of 5x square plus 3y x square plus x square. So this all I have x square common, so I have written all together in one place. Next write down the remaining. So it is minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square, and you have 8xy square. So here in these 4 terms x square is common, so I am just taking x square out and writing the remaining coefficient. So it is 5y minus 5, and here it is plus 3y plus, now here you have only x term, you don't have any coefficient, that means there is a value 1. So always any variable you have, there is a coefficient of 1. Now here from these 4 terms I can take y square common. So I'll just take minus y square common out. So the coefficient of y square is minus 3, but since I have taken minus out, I can write 3 Now here minus already I have taken, so it will be plus 1. Here here I have taken minus y square, so it will be plus 3, and here y square I have taken out, but I have taken minus outside. So this will be minus of 8x. Now it is x square 5y 3y. When you add up, you will get it as 8y. Minus 5 plus 1 will be minus 4. And the second one, it is minus y square. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 8x. So this is the simplified form of the equation. So this is an expression. Now we have made it like terms common out, and we have simplified it, and we got it answer as x square 8y minus 4 minus y square of 7 minus 8x. Now let's next do addition. So now I have taken an example for doing an addition. Now here you can observe that all the terms have same variable, so we have to just, it's a addition, so we have to combine them by using a plus sign. So it is 3mn plus minus 5mn plus 8mn plus minus of 4mn. Now here just now bracket indicates multiplication. Bracket indicates multiplication. So first write down 3mn. Now here you have two signs. One is plus, one minus. Now according to the multiplication of integers, plus into minus is minus. Minus 5mn plus 8mn. Now here again plus into minus is minus 4mn. Now write the like terms with the same sign to one side. So 3mn plus 8mn. Here minus 5mn minus 4mn. Now here 3 you have both plus signs. 8 plus 3 is 11mn. Minus 4 minus 5, minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9mn. Now because the variables are same, you can take the variables out, common out. Now what is the coefficient of mn? 11. What is the coefficient of this? It is minus 9. Now when you simplify, you are going to get 2. So mn, it is 2. Bigger number have plus sign, so you are going to get plus 2. So 2 into mn is 2mn. Yes. So because here you have directly same variable, the process is being simple. Now let me take another example. So little different from this problem. Now this is an example I have taken. A plus b minus 3, b minus a plus 3, a minus b plus 3. So here you can do this in two ways. One is horizontal method and one is vertical method. So I'll just explain the first in horizontal method, and then I'll explain you by using vertical method. Now, so a plus b minus 3, since it is addition, I use plus sign and write the next term, b minus a plus 3 plus, write the third expression, a minus b plus 3. Now write all like variables in one place. A, it is minus a, and here plus a. Next plus b, here you have plus b, and here you have minus b, and write the all constants in one place. So minus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now a minus a is 0 plus a. Now b plus b and minus b, or you can just simply cancel instead of writing 0. So BB gets cancelled, minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. So the leftover is A plus B plus 3. The same thing can be written in by using vertical method. Now what you have to do is A plus B minus 3. But when you are writing this way, you have to see that you write the same variable in the same place. You have to see the variable and write. Here it is plus B. So write this under plus B and you have minus A. So write under minus A, minus A, and you have plus 3. Now you have A minus B plus 3. So you can see here all A's are in one place, all B's are in one place, and you have all constants in one place. Now here what you are going to do? You are going to do addition. So when you are doing addition, there is no changes in sign, but later when you are doing subtraction, I will explain you how the signs is going to change. Now here, because minus 3 plus 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. So this will become 0 and the leftover one is plus 3. Now here also you have plus B minus B, or if you add B plus B is 2B, minus B will be B. And here also you can see that these two are similar. You can just strike off and write the remaining A plus B. So in the both the cases you are going to get the same answer, but only thing is this is a horizontal method. This is termed as horizontal method and this is vertical method. The last one I'll explain in the addition and then I'll move on to the subtraction. Here I've taken the third example as 5m minus 7n and the next one is 3n minus 4m plus 2 and the third one is 2m minus 3mn minus 5. So let me do in horizontal method. Just join the expression by using plus sign. 5m minus 7n plus 3n minus 4m plus 2. Now plus write the next expression 2m minus 3mn minus 5. So here write the like terms in one place. So it is 5m and you have minus 4m and you have plus 2m. And next write down the n term. Now first minus 7n plus 3n and you have here, you don't have any n term but you have a mn term. So I'll write it as 3mn. Next what you have two constants, that is plus 2 minus 5. Now let us simplify it. Now because in these three terms there is m common, take m common out, write the coefficient. It is coefficient of m is 5 and here the coefficient of m is minus 4. The coefficient of m is 2 and here you have n common. So take n common out. So it is minus n I am taking out. So the coefficient of n is minus 7. Since I have taken minus out, you will get it as plus 7. And here I have taken n out. So it is minus 3. So why, I'll explain why you have written minus here. Now the coefficient of this is minus, already I have taken, so plus 3m. Now here, because I have taken minus out, if I remove the bracket once, let me see whether you will get the same equation or not. Minus into plus minus 7n, minus into minus plus 3n. Yes, so next minus into plus, it is minus 3mn. So you will get the same equation, same expression when you remove the bracket also. Plus, now it is plus 2 minus 5. So in this case, bigger number have minus sign. So in answer you are going to get minus, and 5 minus 2 is 3. Now just simplify this. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus n. Now 7 minus 4 is, 7 minus 3 is 4, and you have 4 plus 3m minus 3. Now it is nothing but 3m minus 4n plus into minus 3mn minus 3. So this is a simplified form of the expression. After addition, I got expression as 3m minus 4n minus 3mn minus 3. So let's move on to the subtraction. Yes, so here we will be learning about how to do subtraction. Now let me take the first one. It is minus 5y square from y square. So what is the meaning of it? Subtract this from this. So here most of them will get confused. Here when you are writing an equation itself, that is expression itself, you should be clear which terms comes first. Now here subtract this from this. So the second one is going to come first, and the next one is going to come the next second term. So it is y square minus of minus 5y square. Now here y square. Now minus into minus will become plus 5y square. So here y square is common. Here you don't have any coefficient of y square. That means you have 1. So always remember, any variable will have a coefficient of 1. If you have some other number, then that is the coefficient. But if you don't have, that means you have a coefficient as 1. So y square is common. So take it out. Now what is the coefficient of y square? It is 1 plus 5. So y square 1 plus 5 is 6. So that is 6y square. Now remember, whenever it is given from y square, the second term should come first and then you have to subtract. Now let me explain the second one. That is a minus b from a plus b. So here also you have to write the second term first. That is a plus b minus of the first term a minus b. Now remove the brackets. So it is a plus b plus, now here I want to remove the bracket. So here the sign is not visible. That means it have a sign of plus. Now minus into plus is minus a, minus into minus is plus b. Now write the like terms in one place. A minus a plus b plus b. Now here a minus a plus a gets cancelled. So actually it is not cancelled. It is a minus a is 0. So instead of writing one more step, we can simply cancel it and write the remaining term. So it is b plus b. It is 2b. As you know, b, the coefficient of b is 1. The coefficient of b is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is 2b. So I'll just explain one more and then I'll end up over here with this subtraction. Okay, I have taken 4pq minus 5q square minus 3p square. So you have to subtract this from 5p square plus 3q square minus pq. So remember, the second expression should be written first. So 5p square plus 3q square minus pq. Subtract. So we have to write the subtraction symbol and write the first expression. It is 4pq minus of 5q square minus 3p square. Now remove the bracket. So 5p square plus 3q square minus pq. Now here plus into minus into plus is minus 4pq, minus into minus is plus 5q square, minus into minus is plus 3p square. Now next work, you have to see the like terms and write in one place. So p square, p square. So 5p square plus 3p square. Now q square, q square. So plus 3q square plus 5q square. Next pq terms. So minus pq minus 4pq. Yes. So now simplify by taking the common variable out. So here p square is common. So I am taking it common. So coefficient of p square is 5. The coefficient of p square is 3. Now here q square is common. So take out q square. The coefficient of q square is 3. The coefficient of q square is 5. Now here you can see that PQ is common. So I am taking minus. Here you have minus, here you have minus. So minus PQ common out. Because I have taken minus PQ, there is only coefficient left is 1. And here you have taken minus out and PQ out, you have only 4. So 5 plus 3 is 8p square. Here 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8q square. Now here it is 4 plus 1 is 5 and you have minus here. So minus 5pq. We got it is 8p square plus 8q square minus 5q. So that's it for now, and this is all about the subtraction addition of algebraic expression. If you have liked my teaching, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.